Good evening, everybody. It's Scott Gillum here with another ShadowTrader short video for the first day of spring, the 20th of March. Today, looking at doing a trade on AMD, Advanced Micro Devices. As you can see from the chart above, we've had quite a move for this stock over the past few months and a huge downtrend since about September of last year, and finally seeing some light of day, a reversal on this stock itself. You can see we've just popped back above the 8 EMA, and we've hit that 21 EMA a couple of times and finally broken through. On the trend line basis, the longer term trend line still untouched, but this intermediate trend line that starts up here on October 30th, Halloween, and tags the February 20 high point, got broken through yesterday, the 19th, and confirmed today. So this reversal that we are seeing on AMD leads me to a trade that I want to do on a credit basis. I want to sell credit down below here with the avenue of, if it fails to hold this trend line, I am going to then purchase shares for a very inexpensive price. If I take a look all the way back to October or November of 2023, you can see that that low at that 95 level got tagged a couple of times, and now we've bounced. So taking a look at what we've got going on, sell credit below with the avenue of collecting all of that credit on a short-term basis. Secondary exit will be to take shares in and around this 104, 105, 100 level. So let's take a look at the trade setup. I want to look out to a couple of weeks. I'm going to go out 2 weeks to this April 4 time frame. That allows me some very, very good credit on an area that our implied volatility is still holding in that 42, 43 level and doesn't get us close enough to this earnings event that comes up at the end of April. So once again, April 4, 15 days out, sell the 103 call, or 103 put, pardon me, at 187, and cap off that risk of $3 and look to purchase the 100 put. This will give us 78 cents worth of credit, or about 75 cents worth of credit. So what does that actually mean? All right, I've got $3 of risk, so $300 of risk, and I'm going to get let's say $75 of credit. So I've actually got $225 at total risk. So now I take this and find out what my return is. So $75 of credit on that $225 worth of risk. I have a 33% return on my risk in 15 days. If I divide this by the 15-day time frame and then multiply it by 365, that would equate to an annualized rate of return, say I could do this every 2 weeks, of over 800%. Well, what's the probability of success of this bull put, this 103 short with a 100 long put, of making any money? Well, let's take a look at the curve. So here's current price sitting here at 106.5. There's my 103 short, my 100 long. I have over a 68% probability that I will keep the money on this credit. So there you go, folks. AMD, reversal, selling credit below, secondary exit. I'll take the shares. Hi there, this is Scott Gello from the Stock and Options Room of Live Trading Suite. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe buttons down below. And if you'd like to trade live with me in real time, click again that link in the description below. Good trading to you all, and I'll see you in the room.